Let me tell you guys that I am glad you are back into my channel. If you are new into my channel, make sure you subscribe into that button so that you get each and every information that I'm going to share in my channel. From today, you will never regret having to come across YouTube. You will never regret it, because this is the time where you start making real money. Okay, you will never lose money in NASDAQ again. So stay until the end of this video and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new into my channel, so you get each and every upload. You will get a notification where it tells you every time I upload into this channel, because I upload every day, 2 times a week, meaning I upload on a Sunday and also on Thursday. I upload each and every time, guys. So stay into my channel and watch all of my videos, because I give you the exact information that you need to win. I give you the exact information. So if you need more videos of a certain topic that you want, make sure you comment into that commenting. I would really appreciate that. Now I am going to share about the tricks, the secret, and the behind the scenes of NASDAQ, because now you can never lose in NASDAQ after watching this video. Make sure you stay up to the end of this video. Now, as you all know, NASDAQ is the current powerhouse of Forex. Is where money is created. Okay, I have decided or dedicated my time to help you guys master the skill of winning in NASDAQ. That's why make sure to stay up to the end of this video, guys. I will tell you everything that you need to know about the winnings or how to win in NASDAQ. Thank you very much. Let's head straight into the. Okay, this is it, guys. This is the real deal. Now, guys, I need you to do a favor for me. I need you to go and practice these things, put them into a practice, take them and go and make money with this information, because this is something that no one has ever told you, and I'm going to give it to you right now, guys. So make sure you use this information, because this is very, very crucial. I'm not going to take you guys to go and practice, take these things into good use and utilize them every single day, because these things that I'm going to teach you right now, these 6 secrets are going to be there in the chart each and every day. Make sure to go and use them, guys. Let's head straight into the drawing board. Okay, there are 3 things that you want, 3 things that you are looking for when you're trading NASDAQ. You are looking for a down, up, or consolidation trend. 3 trends: down, up, or consolidation trends. These trends, when they break, each and every time they break, they will break 4 times. When they break, you are looking for 1 entry, then you take the trade. Let me show you exactly what I mean. The first one is an uptrend. Okay, when we talk of an uptrend, we are talking of this thing. It does something like this. And then when it does something like this, you do what? You draw your trend line there. You draw your trend line there. That just below. And then when they break downwards, when they quickly come back, this is where you take your sell. You take your sell here. The other thing that you're looking for is a downtrend. When a market is going down like this, and then when they break on the downside, when they break here and they come and retest, you take your buy here. You take your buy here. This is where you buy. The other one is when they are going sideways. They don't have a clear direction. You put a trend line up there, you put a trend line down there. The first one, it will be when they break up, then they come to retest, you take your what? You buy there. Or when they are going like this, and then they come and break down what? They retest, you take your sell here. Because they are going to do what? They are going to go down. Here they are going to what? Go up. This is where you take a trade. 4 types of entries. 4 types of entries. This is the first one. This is the second one. The third one. And the fourth one. These are the 4 types. This is the first trick, the first secret, guys. The second one, let's go into the other screen. The second one, we are heading into the second screen. Let's go, guys. This is the second screen. I can see that I'm taking too much of the screen, so I'm going to minimize like that. I hope you guys can still see. All right, the first one in this screen, you need to consider secret number 2, which is the time frame. The time frame, you need to always check your time frames when you are analyzing into the 4-hour chart. You go into the 4-hour chart. When you head into the 4-hour chart, I want you to apply secret number 3. The secret number 2 is the 4-hour time frame, which is this one. The secret number 3 is to insert your trend lines. Pretty much understandable, that one. When you insert a trend line, you take your points, you connect them as much as they make sense to you. you connect them like that. You can see that the market is bouncing. It's not crossing the trend line. I see here they did cross, but that was a false breakout. Now you can see that they are playing above my line. That's my trend line. Just like this one. Let me just throw in another one here. Let me try and insert another one here. As long as it makes sense to you, that's your trend line. You can see they're playing just below my trend line there. They never cross. As soon as they cross, this is what I want. When they cross my trend line, they come and retest, and this is where I take my trade. You remember one of the entries, they cross, come back and enter. So here, I'm looking for what here? I'm looking for them to what? To cross. They come back, and I take my sell. That's pretty much it. Secret number 4 is a smaller time frame. To take a trade, you need a smaller time frame. You need to go and apply the same things I'm applying here, but in a smaller time frame. Let's say right now I was looking for a buy. Okay, I was looking for a buy anywhere here. What would I be doing? I would be going to a smaller time frame, like, okay, let's say 5 minutes. When I go to a 5-minute time frame, what do I do? When I go to a 5-minute time frame, what do I do? I'm looking for a buy, right? So I'm going to do this. Look at this. Take my trend line, smaller time frame, connecting my points. So as much as they come and cross here, when they cross, I wait for them to come and retest, then I take my buy. You see that I would have been in profit here. Let's go and apply this thing again. Take my highest point, connect with those ones. You see, they broke here. After breaking, they come and retest. I take my buy here. You see, it gave you three chances to buy. 1, 2, 3. 3 chances to buy. You could have bought and made a profit up here. You see, that's another secret. That was secret number 4. Secret number 5 is a stop loss. When you are taking a stop loss, let's say you took a buy here. Let's say you took a buy here. Where would you be putting a stop loss? You would be putting a stop loss just below everything. Yeah, below everything. Below, you see that this is below everything. This is where you put a stop loss, guys, because you know this is a rare point where they'll be touching. It's a very, very rare point where they'll be touching. Secret number 6, guys, the last one is a take profit. When you are putting a take, let's say you've taken a trade here. This is where you took a trade. You go back to your bigger time frame. When you go back to a bigger time frame, you remember that you took a trade there. This is the small entry that you took in a smaller time frame. This small line is this one. It's this one. Where is it? It's this one. You see, it's bigger in a smaller time frame, but it's smaller in a bigger time frame. That's how it is, guys. So when it's like that, when you are spotting for what? For a take profit, you'll be taking a take profit up there, because you know that the market will do what? Will go up from this point to that point. How do you know? Because you know that this is the highest point they've touched previously. So they are bound to come back and retest that point. So that's your take profit. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you win in the market. Thank you guys for lasting up to this far. Make sure you subscribe into my channel so that you are alerted every time I post a video, because I post pretty much each and every 2 days of a week, which is Thursday and Sunday. So thank you guys for lasting up to this far. Follow me on Instagram, as I will give my Instagram link down in the description area, and make sure to watch my other videos as I keep on educating you so that you become an equipped Forex trader. Thank you guys up to this far. Thanks. Cheers.